We're at 1016 Joe Berto Lane.
They bought one slope for being non-repairable. The second slope that we're on right now, they said is repairable. So I'm gonna do a attempt to repair. This is a discontinued shingle. And we're gonna show you the size difference in a little bit. Now, when I pull up on this, the whole roof is given. So all these shingles have to be changed. See how it's all unsticking? This one just slid out. So we're gonna use this one. Just made a replacement shingle. So as you clearly see, this shingle is a half inch too long, so it will never seal back down because it's also 6 inches too long. So this is on top of this. If I would cut this shingle like they want me to, then it will never seal next to the other one. But as you can see, all this roof is loose. See, the tar on this side will never seal down because it got old tar. It should have stayed on the other shingle. This roof is non-repairable due to size and shape. So the other slope needs to be bought also. Thank y'all.